Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is day 2 of my second Advent calendar series. So this will be part of the Advent treasure hunt. So the Christmas treasure hunt from day 1 to day 25 of December is finished. And this is day 2, which means that it's December 27. And I have one calendar, and it is the Macy's 12 Day of Beauty calendar. Let's see, 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar from Macy's. Whoops, and I received this fabulous calendar from Cece's Trial Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And now Smudge is here, so hard to open things. This has a sleeve that goes over it, but I have kept the sleeve off of it so that I can show it to you better. And if you are following along in the treasure hunt, which I'm calling this one the Advent treasure hunt to try to distinguish from the Christmas treasure hunt, then you are to watch the daily Advent calendar videos and tell me what, if I show you something that is for the giveaway. If I don't show you something for the giveaway, then you don't have to tell me anything for that day. So I did get a few emails from people on the last game, and they told me everything I got every day in the calendars. Everything I got in the calendars have nothing to do with you. They're just for you to see because I'm showing them, and hopefully for you to enjoy the video. And then if I show an item that's for the giveaway, that's what you're supposed to write down. Okay, I hope that makes sense there. So let's look at day 2, which is December 27th. And how, let me show you. First of all, it's beautiful. It's beautiful packaging. And how you open it is like this. It's like there's a magnet going on there and it goes like that. So everything is right here. So day 2 is right here. And in day 1, I showed you this bonus gift. It's a $10 off if you spend $40 at Macy's on beauty products. So day 2 has this little pinch up here, and if I can do it properly, well, it's hard to do. It's hard for me to do. You've got to push in here and push in here, and then you can usually pull out. Well, grab it and pull it out. But I'm challenged. So there it is. Whatever it is. Let's see if I can get it out so I can show you. Oh my! It is. I will say that they do package this very nicely, so you don't have to worry about anything breaking or spilling, because this is in here. All right, let me see. I use my trusty tweezers for so many things, and that popped it out for me. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, this is the brand Unite, which is a hair care brand. I'll show it to you right quick, and then I'll read you what it says. It is a 7-second detangler leave-in conditioner. We've had this before in the large size. Where did I get it? I don't remember where I got it from. Fab Fit Fun is one. I don't think so. I don't remember, but I have had it before, and I don't have tangles because my hair is so small, you know, short and fine. So that will definitely go into a future giveaway, y'all. So that is our Advent calendar for today. And you want to come through, Smudge? This is the calendar that is going from December 26th to the Epiphany, which is January 6th. So thank you for stopping by and seeing what's in my calendar today, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.